Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. I am Snark Sleepy. You are the Sleepy Nation. And on the Sleepy Show today, we're going to bake again. Because baking's been successful for me so far. The brownies were great. Kind of. Today I have rapid assistance from this book that I found on Hannah's bookshelf. Tanya Bakes from Tanya Bear. She makes cakes. And in the book there's a recipe for cookies. Milk and white chocolate cookies. I'll read you the passage. I had to include my milk and white chocolate cookie recipe for my first book, Love Tanya, as everyone seemed to love it so much. You can put a twist in this recipe if you like. One of my favourite thing ever, ice cream and cookie sandwiches. I remember eating an ice cream cookie sandwiches whilst walking along New York's High Line in the sunshine, sharing it with a friend, because you know, we all just go to New York for ice cream sometimes. So this recipe reminds me of a happy time. But I'm going to make it with Daim bars, because who doesn't love Daim bars? So first thing first, we have to gather all the ingredients. So I need 200 grams of unsalted butter, probably got that. 300 grams of caster sugar, sure. 1 large egg, 325 grams of self-rising flour. This must be like the easiest thing ever. Even I can't mess this up. It's like 4 ingredients. Let's find all the ingredients. 1 large egg. What else do I need? Butter. Stalk for cakes. That'll do. Perfect. Caster sugar. Self-rising flour, there it is. Perfect. Caster sugar. This is the messy cupboard. I'm not supposed to go in here. Do you think we have caster sugar? This ain't good. Right, so I asked Hannah. I asked Hannah's help because I couldn't find the caster sugar, but it turns out... Oh no, I've lost a page! Okay, turns out it's here in this thing that says sugar. So I've got all my ingredients, I think. Let's bake.
Daim bars up a bit.
Right, let's start the stuff. So it says the first thing to do is preheat the oven and line 2 baking trays. I don't even know if I have them. Hannah, if I was a baking tray, where would I live?
In the baking cupboard.
That means one thing. That means I have to go in here. Oh God. It's there, isn't it? Oh God. Oh, dearie me. Oh God. Oh, dearie me. Right, okay. I need to grease this. Do I have greaseproof paper? I do. Life is good. 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 So we preheat the oven to 180 degrees. It's about there probably. Yeah, now let's do some bacon. Right, here we go. I need, in a bowl, cream together the butter and sugar until pale and fluffy. So the butter, I need 200 grams. How hard can, oh, I broke the egg. How hard can that be? 200 grams. Oh, that's not good. £200. How much butter is that? Okay, that's 70 grams. It's 139 grams. This is not going well. 180 grams. 199 grams. 118 grams. Oh, dearie me. That's close enough. That's close enough. It's the best I'm probably ever going to do. So we get that in the mixing bowl. So mix the milk and sugar. How many grams of sugar? 300. God, this is diabetes waiting to happen, isn't it? I'm already fat enough. This is not going to help. Until that makes off the little bit of water I missed. Okay, then cream it together till fluffy. Oh, I didn't turn it on. Clean it together till fluffy. Do your job. Hey. It's getting there, just a bit loud. It's all kind of stuck to the sides a little bit. Okay, so crack the egg into this. There's no shell. Don't overthink it. You put this back in. And then you start again. Nice and slowly. Beat until smooth. It's way too slow now. Come on. The next step is to gradually add the flour, as so. Not the most exciting bit of the video, unfortunately. So just the last little bit as we mix it in together. Then we open this up, pop this bit out, make sure all the bits on the side remove. That is one dense cookie dough. Right. At the Daim. It's Daim time. Yeah. In it goes. Down this goes. I think it's fair to say the Sleepy Show has become the premier cooking channel on YouTube. Considering I mainly play games. So you might be wondering why I'm not playing as many games recently. You know, for all my 30 people who actually watch my videos. The answer is I have a 24-hour live stream coming up on the 22nd of June. We're doing it in aid of Health in Mind, which is an Edinburgh-based charity. And we're hoping to raise as much money as possible to help them out with all the things they do. Because, you know, mental health is a very important thing. It affects 1 in 4 of us, and I'm not going to go on the whole spiel about mental health, because that's not what this is. But the reason I'm doing baking and not playing games is because organising the game stream is making me fall slowly but surely out of love with games. This is my way of de-stressing by making cookies and getting even fatter than I already am. Okay then, the next stage is getting this dough in the pan. It says put it into... Let's get the dough in the pan. It says put it into small balls. I'm concerned I've made way too much dough for the size of this pan. This is probably just going to burn. Oh, it's all on my fingers. You know what? It's a cookie cake now. It's one giant cookie cake. I didn't wash my hands, I've just been painting. I did self-portraits. Mine was terrible. Right, all of my fingers, we taste the cookie dough. Oh god. This tangy bar woman, don't really know who she is, but good cookie dough. Right then, in the oven this goes. That's one hot oven. In it goes, and how long should I set the timer for? Bake for 12 minutes. Alexa, set a timer for 12 minutes.
12 minutes, starting now.
I don't really trust the cooker thing. And this is why Hannah tells me I'm not allowed to bake or cook. I destroyed the kitchen. I'm actually quite impressed by how quickly I tidied up. 10 minutes, your personal best. Take a dime. Listen to me chew. This is the Snorlax Sleepy ASMR moment. It's beautiful. There's a future career for me. Now apparently they are still to be soft. So here we go. I mean, they're soft. And then they're soft. What did it say? Don't worry if they're still very gooey, they will cool down. Okay then. Turn the oven off. Leave them for 15 minutes, like she says. Who am I to screw a baking lady? Cookies, 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 cookie. Hannah's going for a taste test.
Fucking hell, it's like a braid. That is really sick.
How bad can it be? Good cookie. No.
I don't know if you can call it a cookie.
It's got cookie cake. I think this is a bad cookie.
It's a bad cookie.
It's not a bad cookie, see look. So guys, thanks for watching. I make cookies. They were awesome. I've been Snark Sleepy. You've been a Sleepy Sensation. Same sleepy time, same sleepy channel. Stay sleepy.